You said I took this whole thing apart.
For nothing.
For this one broken bolt.
Yeah. That's ridiculous.
That's ridiculous. Ford's Gen 1 3.5 EcoBoost from 2011 to 2016 in the F-150s, or from 2015 to 2017 in the Ford Expeditions. One of the most common issues you're going to see on this Gen 1 3.5 is the exhaust manifold stud in the very back breaking on either side. It's pretty much the same setup. They've had an updated manifold out for a few years now, but there are still a ton of these trucks that have the old style manifolds on them. This one here behind me had the driver's side replaced about a year or two ago. Now the passenger side back one has broke. So we're going to remove that manifold off today, put the updated manifold on, and show you guys how to permanently fix this problem. If you're wondering if your stud's broke, this makes a really high-pitched squealing noise most of the time. It's gonna do it when the engine gets more hot. That's because as the engine heats up, the manifold separates away from the cylinder head, causing that air to escape in between the head and the manifold, causing that high-pitched squealing noise.
What? Dude, the exhaust pipe thing, that thing is rusted out.
Stick it in here, we're trying to pry this line right here off. We stick it in here like this.
There's a lot of coolant in that thing, huh? I didn't know coolant was yellow.
Got one of them. Look at Daddy! Yeah, like that. There you go. Come on. Come on. All right, there you go. Well, big shout out to Lawson for helping me put this exhaust manifold on this Saturday. Lawson's 8 years old, and honestly, he probably whined a lot less than most of you probably would do in this job. The real issue with this exhaust manifold is that there is not enough bolts on the back where the turbo is. After updating this manifold to the updated styles, honestly, it's gonna completely 100% fix your problem. What the hell is that, man?
I thought you were gonna grab the whole thing too.
So I've always been a fan of using OEM parts, but honestly in this case, it's just a waste of your money. Ford does not sell this as a kit. They actually sell every single part individually. You have to buy each exhaust manifold individually, each manifold gasket individually, each stud, each nut individually, and it's kind of nonsense basically. It just doesn't make sense for you to have that much aggravation in ordering the parts that you need for this repair. It should be a kit. I don't know why Ford has not come out with a kit. As many of these that they know need this repair, they should have been done come out with a kit. BD Diesel has taken up the slack for Ford. BD Diesel makes a super great kit for this. It is very affordable. It's a lot cheaper than what you would pay at Ford for these parts. And honestly, the exhaust manifold's a little better than what you would get from Ford as well. It has a few more hole locations to put studs than what the actual Ford manifold does. So that's always a huge plus. I highly recommend getting one of these kits if you're doing this repair. By the way, this is not sponsored by BD Diesel, so don't think that I'm getting a cut out of this. And I would not recommend this if I did not believe that it is the best source and price for these parts.
That's why you did this whole entire truck?
Yep.
That is so ridiculous. Why don't we...
No. You said I took this whole thing apart.
For nothing.
For this one broken bolt.
Yeah. That's ridiculous.
That's ridiculous? Why is that ridiculous?
Because it's just one stinking bolt that's broken.
It's harder to get to.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Puts more money in our pocket, huh?
Yeah. Can I try?
Yeah, for sure.
Which way is it?
Lefty loosey, righty tighty, man. Stand over here and hold this. I need you to. Come on.
Because I wanted to do it.
Yeah, well, you just taking too long.
I got the fast route in the perfect place.
You do. You got it in a real good place.
Oh, Lord. Nope.
What?
So get the... Okay.
out before it gets cross-threaded.
I ain't doing it no more.
Hold this part still with your other hand. I'm doing it. Hold it.
Hold this?
Hold this piece. Right here. Hold it still whenever you go the other way. Now come back. Now come back and hold it. See? That's what I'm talking about.
It's as tight as it can go. Which hole is it? So, which hole did I put it in though?
Every one of them.
Every single hole?
Every single hole needs a new stud in it.
Huh?
So you good there, player?
Yes. I just want to get
put that
paid.
down. You just, okay, you gotta do work to get paid. You realize that, right?
I know.
Well, then why don't you quit whining?
Okay.
Okay. What you been up to?
You got anything on your shirt?
Do I got anything on my shirt? I don't guess so.
Look at mine.
Yeah? What's that supposed to mean?
Got you on that one, didn't you?
Y'all ready for the turbo?
I think we are, buddy. I think we are. I got one more fitting to do, and then we're ready.
Ready? I'm gonna put it up there.
Hold on.
You'll record it?
No. I don't want to hear. It's sitting right there.
Look up here.
Yep, that's it. So if you're doing this exhaust manifold repair to your vehicle, or if you're having it done, I highly recommend replacing the turbo coolant fittings, both of those located on the turbo, on the head, and on the engine block, just because they are so notorious for leaking. They're already off. They're super cheap. Matter of fact, BD Diesel makes the same kit for the turbo coolant fittings. Highly recommend replacing those while you have these turbos off. It will save you a lot of money down the road. So I guess the real question, what does this job cost? What is it going to cost you to do this? If you're having the fittings done, the manifolds done, and a really good job, like I said, somebody picking the cab, doing this thing the whole way. Now, you don't have to pick the cab if you don't want to, but it does make it a lot easier, especially if you're doing both sides. I would expect to pay somewhere between $3,000 to $5,000 roughly, depending on your location, to have this done.